Morning everyone. So today we're going to the sticky waterfalls. We woke up, we not woke up late, it's just we didn't get out of bed. And then, so yeah, we just gotta go and get a trusty whiz app, hire a bike, gotta go and get some breakfast, gotta go, then we'll go to the waterfalls, and I don't know what we're doing after that. Madison knows what we're doing, but I've not got a clue. So anyway, let's just go and get the trusty whiz app, get that sorted, and then we'll be on our way. Trusty whiz app ordered, said come back in 10 minutes because obviously they got to drop it off here. Just got a 110, they do the higher powered bikes, but it's pointless, the roads are like 12 metres each road, so you can't go fast anyway. And it's miles cheaper, so gone for the 110, looks sick. But anyway, we just gotta... Do you hear me coming?
Yeah, I'm talking that loud.
Oh yeah, bike's ordered, we're on the route. Just sorting the trusty whiz up out. I think it's that red one there. I think so anyway, it looks like the one we're using. Not actually sure. Hope it's that one looks a cool one. All the other ones look absolutely padded out their head. So it's going to cost us 300 anyway, it's going back over. Let me just speak to him, sort it out, and then we'll be back with you. Trusty whiz up, no you do it. No. Trusty whiz up, secured. Yes, no. Real Street General. Zoomer. Haha. Proper trusty whiz up. Let's get some breakfast down our necks. And then we will be off, Mushy P. Breakfast is served. We've got chocolate chip American pancakes with maple syrup, and this maple syrup's come and it's been in the fridge. So you just know it's going to be good because it's got that nice little coldness to it. Anyway, quick taste test. Time to pick it up.
Stop it.
Oh yeah. That's good. And we was going to go and get a toasty. What do you think? Good? I'm buzzing with that. So now we are en route to the sticky waterfalls. Trusty Wizard is doing us some good work. It's only a slow one, but it's a beaut. That's what it is, it's a beaut. We arrived. At the sticky waterfalls. I know, yeah, I kept telling myself then, it's definitely not me though.
Not me.
Someone stinks a bit off. But we've arrived here anyway. Boatong waterfall. Don't know what that second bit says, but we're very much in need of a nice little lift, so we're just gonna go and attack this stall here, see what they've got.
You don't want to leave the top in the thing?
I'll just put it here. Sweating, man. Need to take this top off ASAP. Ah, slowly secured, man. I suppose you flew up my nose. Ugh. What did you get? Cookies and cream cornetto. Oh. I only got it because I thought something more icy, the better. Yeah. Cooked it down.
No, I sit on this side, it's really good.
Raving the back toe. I'm gonna sit here, eat this, and then we're going that way to the waterfalls. Right, we've got to the actual, like, past the entrance and where you actually started. You've got to leave your shoes. They have not, some people ain't. Oh, just squirted me. Oh, nice one, pal. Proper appreciate that. Mate, this is hurting, this. Ah. Got GoPro as well. Can't be in me for. Mine's newer. Oh, look at bites on the back of the road. This is absolutely torture, this is really bad. That's what you have to walk up? Oh my god. If anyone knows me, right, when I've not got shoes on, I can't even not wear shoes in the house because I hate my feet touching anything. I've got a lot better whilst I've been out here because obviously you don't really need to on the beach and that. But when it's like this, it hurts, man, it's painful.
My nose is running.
Anyway, let's get down here, get through the pain, and then I'll let you know what it's like. Right, we're at the start here, right? You just come all the way from down there, all the way like this, right? My feet are aching. I don't know whether to go that way or that way. Which way are we going? Whoa, that goes deep, that. Just shimmy your feet.
But he dropped there.
What? It's cold as well.
It's nicer.
I cannot swim for you. Yeah, I can.
Oh, I don't like it. You won't come to me.
Because it's all getting off.
You go first.
Right, so then if I fall, then you won't?
Yeah. It dropped down there though, so but maybe top.
Put my phone in the bag. Why can I not get this phone in this bag? Right, let's tackle this. That over there's ramble. Should we just go that way? It's just rocky underneath. She's got the right idea. Water shoes. Water shoes, man, that's what we need. Look at them up that tree there. Let's see how sticky they really are. Whew. It is quite sticky to be fair. I thought your feet are just like be a bit slippery, but it's not. Seriously, it's not. Like, just climb up, find a way. Hurry up before they come. Last thing she needs is all them behind her. Right, me Julie made it up. Where is she? She's behind me somewhere, she's here somewhere. We've got to get up there. People are going down there, but it's pointless. You know what, I feel like a mountain goat. What, they're getting at that bit there. No way, man.
Oh, I got rocks in there.
Yeah, no chance. That's where we would have had to walk up before. Yeah. That's where we're going now.
I'm not climbing up that.
Whoa, that bit's well slippy, watch out. I told you. Watch out there. Before tongue waterfall. Ah man, that hurt my foot that one. Oh, someone else has fell. Come on, Julia. Ah. There's nothing enjoyable about standing on stones whatsoever, is there? Like, at all, man. They didn't get a room down to it there. We're going through here and up there. We are, that way, we'll go that way. That kid's been screaming since we got here earlier on. Whoa, that's slippery.
Yeah, anything with green, you can be slip out.
This is mad, this. Look at that there, man. How do people even get up there? Look at this, man. It is mad, dude. How they got up there? People are just flying up it, man. Right, we stopped to take a picture and we've been stuck in between the tour guide. In front and behind us. Whoa! What the? This is so dangerous. Someone's laughing, I think someone's tight. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. I hate waiting, man. These tour guides will stop and talk. Just let us pass them if you're going to be with them. You know what I mean? Get off. They've got pants on. What are you doing with pants on? Oh, there's a bee there. Stubbed my toe again. I feel like a mountain goat. Do you not? I feel like a mountain goat. Sweating like a lizard. Got that, perfect timing now. Go sit around. I'd rather walk up then. Get off me. I'd rather walk up that there than walk on these stones and all it's flat. It's horrible, man. Whoa. Between my toes and stuff. Bah, you. Sure. It's so slippery when there's... You're gonna come up there? Yeah, you do. You do want to. This is actually going to be a challenge, this, with one hand in it. It's so slippery when you get to the end, man. And you've just got people stood here just in exits. Like, come on, mate. You're just trying to get down here. It's bad, this. Yeah, this is fine. Sweating like a lizard. Right, it's just like that. Excuse me. This is going to be the worst thing to walk on. We've got to go now, Durban up.
Yeah, and then we're going to have to wash our feet with that water, back the water.
I think it'll be better on my arm, man. This is the worst bit, this.
This is slick.
That's the actual waterfall done anyway. We're going somewhere else now. I actually can't concentrate on, and you can't even go up there because, well, you can obviously, but you need two hands and it's just pointless me even going up because I won't be able to show you anywhere. So we're just going to go back to the top this way, and I seriously can't look at you while I'm talking to you because I need to look at where I'm going because this is so slippy, man. I'm sure this is where it was before. Oh, it stood in way. You know, some people just can't get out. They are decent then, they are good. So if you come in to Chiang Mai, you want to do the sticky waterfalls, go for it. Because it is worth it. But it is slippy, so be aware. Because we slipped about 5 times then, easily 5 times. And people just falling left, right and centre. Yeah, right? I suppose, oh, wow, look, they go all the way up there, I would never made it up there. George Johnson. Oh.
Yeah.
Shut up, shouting. Oh, man. I'm actually blowing. And because my back's sweating, I keep getting flies sticks like. I keep getting flies like flying into my back and they're just sticking to my back. One on my shoulder. Which way did we come from? Up there? We'll get all the way up there. Right, we're going to have a quick breather here for me, Julie, and we'll get to the top. Made it to the top. And that'll probably, you can choose them. That'll probably harder than going up the actual waterfall, that. Up my trusty wizards that I can. I need to go and get some shade, man, because with no sun cream on, I've got a fresh tattoo. I'm not saying fresh as in being a dick, like, yeah, it's fresh. It's fresh as in I got it done the other day. But it's fresh, like, it's sick. And this full place stinks of BO, man. It's not me, because I've just smelt myself, and it's not medicine, I smelt it as well. It's so hot, man, and this water's just like boiling water. It stinks, man. Right, let's just go and get some shit. Let's go and get a quick cold drink. I need ice, just a block of ice. And I'll let you know where we're going and what we're doing, man. That's the sticky waterfalls done. And you know what, man? It's just so hot here. Serious, man. Where's our bike? Where's our bike? I'll find it in a sec. But it's so hot, man. You can't, obviously, you're in water, like your feet are in water, so that cools you down a little bit. There's only so much that is going to cool you down, isn't it? It's absolutely boiling, man. Found the bike, I just found the trusty whiz up. It's over there. So yeah, we're going to Land of Angels. We're going to Land of Angels now. That's another 30 minutes that way and there's an hour and a half back. So it's a bit of a nightmare, but it's sick, like looks good. So I'll see you when we get there. The half an hour drive's done. I'm sweating like a lizard. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh, little water things there. So yeah, we're at Land Angels Cafe. Don't know where we're going now. Got paid for getting 80 baht. Right, let's just sort this out and then we'll finger. We'll just give us tickets and take them straight back off us. Ain't that awkward?
Oh, that's the castle.
Castle's waterfalls, yeah. Yeah. Oh man, it's just... I don't know why I'm just yawning so much. Just water misters everywhere, I'm getting wet through, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. That's been quite big here so far. I don't know what we paid 80 baht for. Is it bad made or something? Need to cut another wet through. That sign saying go that way, but we're going to go the other way. We'll go this way, man, sir. We're in there. Look how blue that water is, man. Just gonna keep tapping. Tap, 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 tap. Yeah. Let's walk through this now. See how wet we get on a scale of 1 to wet. I'm gonna kill me when he does that. Oh! 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 You don't get wet, you get drenched. Oh! Thank you. Oh! Yeah, I'm not going to wet through. Just got a big drop on top of my sleeve. What? Cute?
They were nice and refreshing, I'm sweating.
You go down here? These little things. They're horrible, them misters.
No, they're lovely.
Lovely. I love it. I love it. Where are we now? Listen, what a big spider. Whoa, I'm not even going to mention it to her because she'll have a fit. You want her? Well, you can go there or not. Man, it's so hot, I'm sweating like a lizard.
I'm still under that, I don't feel anymore.
Oh, fuck it, I'm gonna go up. I don't know if you can or not, but I'm gonna go up. Oh wow, check that over there. Yeah. I don't know whether it's because I'm too hot, I'm sweating. Oh wow. I don't know if it's too, because I'm too hot, that's why I have no energy whatsoever. That's because I've had hardly anything to eat. Oh, it's because I need an energy drink or something. God bless you. Yeah, you got to walk around, I think. Right, I'm going to walk around to the other side and we'll come back to you. So cut to me on the other side. So, we've got to the end of where we... Not where we were, the end of where we... Whoa! Bonny little things. So we've got to, we were going over there, but then we walked over here. There's goats. Me, I'm a goat. Check these out then. Hello, doggy. You touch them? Baby one's here. That one's definitely not right, Ed. Oh, look at that one under the thing. Oh, that one's feeding off it, look. Bless the little cotton socks. Oh, bless you. Ja, die
Mach deine Schuhe zu, Kerstin. Ja.
Is that a shoelace? Okay, go back down. Hi, Mr. Bub. Hello. It's frightened. Hello. Come here, doggy. Come here, doggy. Addison, is that a German Shepherd? Got all them there. 20 baht to feed them. Nah. Check that.
Don't put your hands in your mouth.
So just walk around with my hands in my mouth.
I do it all the time.
You've got issues.
I've got some sanitizer in there. Oh.
See? That's a picture of a girl who walks around with her hands in her mouth. Issues. Oh wow. No energy whatsoever, hang on. I'm just gonna...
Get me wet.
I'll say that ever again.
I want a picture on there before they do.
I think they're definitely man-made, all these, aren't they? Look how blue that is, right? Sit. They sit doing some sort of water rafting doing that. The plastic's going down that. Mad that, innit? Pretty crazy sick. What? Can you? These little streams, they're coming from the toilet, them above. Toilets are. Seriously feel like I'm going to faint me. The Julie is lost again. Julie! She hates me. She absolutely hates me. Oh. Check that, man. It is so refreshing because it's so cold here. It's 35 degrees today. That is absolutely babby boiling, that. Yeah, can you not go up here? How'd you get to it? That's cold, that. So we're gonna go find the entrance to this and then see what opens from there. Oh my god, I thought that was a turtle. But we're in, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, ladies. No one else has seen this, I don't think. We should go in left, right, left. Let you choose.
You go one way, I go the other.
Okay, bye bye driver. Ha, I've gone the way where she
I
went.
got the heart. Oh no, you did.
Ha ha. Bye bye, driver. Oh, he's sick, man. Look at that, man. So you get the love art and you get the waterfall. So we are on the other side of the waterfall right about now. And then we've got to walk.
Hold on.
Down these.
Oh.
Which are quite slippy, but they're not slippy enough to be screaming like that.
Why did I fall down there? I don't care. I can't do it.
Oh, it is a turtle. Look, there's the turtle's head. It's not real, it's the rock. There's the turtle's head, there's the arms, and there's the body. But then you walk, man. It's a view for days. We walked to the other side of that waterfall. We've got like the flower gardens. Just really don't interest me, flower gardens.
I don't know how some people love gardening, like, and they're proud of it, like, people class it as a hobby, you know? And that's me, it's not, I'd rather watch paint dry.
So you've just listened to exactly what I've just said, and she couldn't hear me what I've just said, and you just the exact same thing, straight near enough.
Crash made in heaven.
It's so boring. Shut up, you can go through. Can I go through? Don't know.
I don't want to go through that. I don't like caves, so it's too dark that.
Yeah, he's going to collapse. Look, plug sockets. You coming in? We've got plug sockets. Right, is this safe or what, this? I've no hands either. Wrapped up big time. Julie! Julie! Them stairs are not safe, man. Hey, I've got kip there, me. Sick, man. What? Where's the other side? I get to the other side, but look how steep they are, man. Look at that. Right, I need to try and find that side. You've literally got half a foot. Filthy now. You've literally got half a foot to work with on them steps. But look, man. Why has that side got plug sockets and mine's not? Oh. Whoa! What is there? What? There's a step.
No, that one's good.
Thinks I'm an idiot. She's an idiot. Look at her sitting there. I can't be arsed going back up there. No energy. Can't bother climbing any more stairs. Bye bye, driver. Sweating like a lizard as well, man. And do you know what? I don't even know if lizards sweat. It's the main thing. Do lizards sweat, but they're not. Are we getting a coffee or something? Come on then. Oh, bless you, little cotton. That way or this way? Oh man, it's so hot. So hot. We've got them
Go
there.
down there because we look at the back of it.
Right, let me go and find this cafe properly and then we'll be back with you. Right, so Madison went up and ordered some chicken nuggets and spring rolls. We just thought we'll have a little light bite, right? So, spring rolls, yeah, perfect. You ready to see the chicken nuggets? Chicken and noodles. They're chicken nuggets, right? Right, so we made it back to the hotel. Just gonna make myself a quick juice. Very strong. Knowing me, right, it won't even be concentrating, I'm just drinking straight juice. I don't think I am, I'm not sure. Probably not. God knows. Oh man, when you're on them bikes for so long, your back aches. Anyway, we're back in the room. Got some stuff to sort. And then we're back out. So I'll let you know when we're back out mooching. Bye. Right, so we've both decided we're just gonna have a chill one tonight. Chill out. We went 7-Eleven before, just got a quick toasty, a milkshake, filled the ped up to give it back in the morning. Oh, that scared the life out of me, that then when them tunes come on. But because we're both still absolutely peckish at our heads, we've just ordered a cup of cup. And it's probably cheaper than getting the toasties. It's just cost, well, it's not obviously, but for food to money ratio it is, because we've just ordered 6 wings, 2 chicken selects, a couple of other bits, I can't remember what. A couple of other bits and it comes to less than a Jack Diver. That's not too shabby. That is not too shabby at all. Is it here? Is that it? So yeah, I'll let you know when it's here. See you soon. Can I have some spending money for my KFC, please? 200. Yes. Is that okay? Let me check. All good?
Thank you.
Thank you. Pigeon or chicken?
What did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say?
Nothing. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Is that your rap? Is that your rap? Don't tell me that's your rap.
Yeah, it is, Alan, so I will be having 4 of the wings. Wait.
What's in there?
My wings.
Your wings? Are you a tart? See, you rigged them. There's only 3.
Shut up, dude.
Shut up. Right about now.
You're going to do it again? Oh, right, okay.
Yep.
I was going to have a bite.
Look at that bag. For them chips.
None of them are wings, they're all legs as well.
Right, so I'm casually just tucking into my chicken here. Madison's had half a bite of the wings. You got spicy wings, right? Oh, they've got. Oh, oh, oh! I'll take it back. I was just gonna call you soft, then I've just tasted a bit, just off my fingers. Are you booing? Oh, that's my video ruined because I'll take it back. Right, so that was probably the biggest mistake we've had because that was so bad. The wings, like the first initial bite was like, oh. But then after that it was just, there were nothing and it was just literally not nice. Like the flavouring of it just wasn't nice. It just wasn't like home where it's crispy. It wasn't like that. And the chicken, it was like squishy. I think it was pigeon.
loads of spice.
Spice up your life, Cap. Just need to find a bin now. Outside bin? No. Bin. Right, let me go find a bin.